Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some fish sauce, grilled fish sauce actually. It's kind of like the Cameroon fish sauce, so fish pepper actually, not sauce. So stay tuned guys. This is about 15 pepper, 2 medium-sized onions, garlic, ginger, and I think I'm gonna use 2 tomatoes. Yes. All right. Because I have some already frozen spring onions, I'm gonna also add that to it. And so the next thing I'm gonna add is some oil to blend it. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to blend now. It's blending. Just look at that. Just look at that. It's so nice. Just love the way it looks, the texture and everything. So after that, I'm going to turn my fire on, so make sure your fire is on low heat so it doesn't burn. So keep that on like a 4 or like a 5 so you can slow cook. And some salt to taste, and also some seasoning. Together, you can see the oil is already coming at the top. Then I cover it up to cook some more. So now you just let it cook for a few more minutes and then it's done. And this is the final look. Just look at the texture. Just look at it. It's so nice, tastes so good, spicy. You can eat this with rice or plantain. You can put it on your egg, fried egg, whatever you want to eat this with. You're welcome to do so. And you put this in a jar to store it, and you put it in the refrigerator. This can last you for a while, as long as you don't put a wet spoon. This will last you for a couple of weeks. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.